Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to give you another business funding option, which is a merchant cash advance. No minimal credit scores required. You only need to have 6 months in business for you to get some funding to take your business up to the next level. So make sure you guys stay to the end and let's get straight into it. So today we are going to be discussing Loot. Loot is a merchant cash advance company that offers funding for newly starting businesses. So if you need some money to hold you over because you've gotten started with your business, but you need some extra funds to take it to the next level, this is going to be a great option for you. I particularly like them because they are very responsive in your application process with answering questions, getting right back with you, and overall they are good for starter businesses that need some cash to hold you over. That's the main thing. Now, as far as their requirements, did want to let y'all know what those requirements are. You must be in business 6 months in business. So, they have some more relaxed requirements on how long you need to be in business, only 6 months. You must be able to show proof that you receive 4 deposits per month in your business bank account, meaning like you getting paid into your business bank account at least 4 times in 1 month. That is a requirement. So they are going to confirm that, with bank statements and things of that nature. Your business must have a annual income of minimum requirement of $25,000. Now, if you don't know what an annual income is, that means within a 12-month period, your business must have brought in at least $25,000, which is about $2,000 per month. So, as long as you can show proof of 4 transactions of money being deposited into your business bank account, you're at least bringing in $2,000 per month, and you will be able to be approved for this merchant cash advance, this business loan. Those are the only requirements. They have no minimum credit score requirements because it's based on the money that you have coming in. So I like them because they have much lower requirements on the minimum amount of money you need to be bringing in than most other companies. Most other companies need you at least to bring in 10,000. Them, as long as you're bringing in as little as 2,000 a month, you can get loans. And just from my experience with people that I have told about this company and they have applied, I see that they start out with giving funding as low as $6,000 and up. So you have a vast variety of options on how much you can get, and starting out at 6,000 is a great amount that can take your business to the next level if you don't already have the funds. So they have the cash advance, and then they also have an option for a line of credit. So just to explain to you guys how the line of credit works, with that is going to be a minimum requirement of you being in business for 1 year. With a line of credit, it can go up to $300,000 that you are getting approved for. Now, with the line of credit, you must have at least a 600 credit score minimum or higher. So they do require more because with a line of credit, there is no credit limit that they're giving you on the card. As you receive it, as you spend, your line of credit is just going to continue to grow. So in order for them to give you that approval, you must at least have a 600 credit score, and you must have a average daily balance of at least $2,000, currently in your bank account if you're looking to apply for the line of credit. Not going into the negative more than 3 times a month. So that means, your account going to zero or overdraft. No more than 3 times a month if you're looking to get the line of credit. So if you do need, a higher amount up to $300,000, they still really have great options for you getting a good amount for a line of credit. Most line of credits, minimally, they want you to have a credit score of about at least a 650, but with them, they only are requiring you to have a 600. So this is a great option for my people who may not have the best credit, but you need that line of credit to hold you over each month as you are getting different type of products or supplies for your business. So I would definitely recommend that if you have not thought about it already. So either you can do the cash advance, where it's mostly going off of the revenue your business is bringing in, no minimal credit scores, at least just 2,000 coming in a month with 4 transactions, or you can go the line of credit route where you need to at least have a 600 credit score, have at least $2,000 in your bank account without going into the negative more than 3 times a month. So they have 2 funding options. My main thing is it's a super simple application process. Once you apply, they're going to contact you about your app and let you know what you can get approved for. So shoot your shot. It is not an immediate hard pull on your credit when you apply for the line of credit. And then remember, on the revenue based side, there's no hard pull at all. So if you need some money and you at least bring it in 2,000 with 4 transactions a month, I would strongly suggest you do this application and see what you can get approved for. Now, on the interest rate side, that can vary, especially on the line of credit. It can be vary based on your credit, but they do have great options to where if you pay your loan off early, you'll actually get money off of what the interest is. So you get a lot of bang for your buck. Again, this is for starter companies that need that capital, so they are going to have a bit of a higher interest rate. But if you know that you're going to use this money to take your business to the next level, I would definitely recommend you applying for them and doing this application. The payback periods can vary. They can be sometimes daily, weekly, or monthly. It just depends on what you're getting approved for. So I hope you guys take the time, do your quick 5-minute application so that you can get approved with Loot. I am going to be sure to put the link in the description to do your application. But if you need me to just send you the direct link, comment Loot. I'll be sure to send that over to you. Thank you guys again for tuning in. And let me know you made it to the end of this video by commenting, I made it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Last but not least, if you are interested in getting business funding, building business credit, but you're not really sure where to start, you want to start your business and you're not sure, if you should do an LLC, how to set things up, I do offer business consultations that are available to you guys. I'm going to put the link up above and in the description. So if you need a consultation for your business, just comment consultation. And until next time, thank you guys. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.